I'll be showing you two different ways you can add fog to your Fortnite maps. First of all, you can do this one, very simple. Type in island settings in your outliner, type in fog, and you'll be able to change some settings here. Another way you can do this is with the day sequencer. As we can see, we've got it here, but you can see that this isn't the actual color of the fog. So what I've done here is gone to visual effects and added an exponential height fog. This gives us more customization. So let's just type in fog. Here you can see, you can change the colors around, mess around with it, choose whatever's best for us. If this video was helpful to you, use code GISMO in the Fortnite item store, subscribe to the channel, and if you're an absolute beginner, I've got a link in the description for you.